So I'm starting off by just running a spoolie through my brows, then I'm going to start filling them in with my ABH pomade. Not super interesting, I'm pretty sure you know how to fill in an eyebrow. Next, I'm priming my eyes. And here I am absolutely wigging out about the Juvia's Place palette, so I'm going into the shade Bintu, which is a beautiful cranberry color, oh my god, and I'm going to pack it into my crease with a blending brush. And here I'm doing the same thing on the other eye. Using the same blending brush I used to apply the eyeshadow, I'm just going to blend out the edges a tiny bit. Now I'm going in with Kisi, which is this gorgeous transition shade, just a basic neutral brown, and I'm going to be blending out the edges of Bintu. Next I'm picking up Fifi on this packing brush and I'm going to be spraying it with some setting spray to intensify the color and putting that all over the front half of my eyelid. I'm grabbing Kofi on a small packing brush and I'm going to put that right in the center of my eyelid. I'm using Bintu to just blend all of that together. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of winged liner. You don't want it to be too dramatic because it will take away from, you know, all of that gorgeous eyeshadow that you just put on. Next, I'm taking some black eyeliner. Oh my god, girl. Okay, if you don't stop, it's not that funny. Anyway, I'm losing my mind over the tiniest eye pencil in the universe, and I'm going to pop that in my waterline. And then later on, I'm going to be doing my upper waterline as well. My god, stop. I'm going to be dotting foundation over my face, and I'm actually mixing foundations because I want something that's a little bit dewy but will last throughout the day. So I'm going to be dotting a mixture of both those foundations all over my face, and then blending it out with a beauty blender. I'm kind of just spot concealing because I am unfortunately breaking out at the moment. Then using that same concealer, I'm going to dot underneath my eyes and again blend that out with my beauty sponge. Okay, I look like the goddamn Scream, but anyway, I'm going to be just powdering my face, all of the places where I'll crease, you know, nose, cheeks, smile lines, and making some of the most ridiculous expressions. I'm taking Bintu again, and I'm just going to pop that underneath my lower lash line using the same blending brush as before, and then I'm taking Angelique, or Angelic, whatever, on the inner corner. Now I'm adding just a little bit of mascara. Then I'm running some brow gel through my eyebrows. I do this after foundation because I tend to get powder in my eyebrows. And then I'm going to get the, oh god, I don't know the name of this blush, but I'm putting it on my face. Now is my favorite part, which is highlighting, so I'm going to run that over the tip of my nose, cheekbones, and temples. Now I'm taking a liquid lipstick from everyone's favorite anti-Semitic anti-vaxxer and popping that on. I bought this before I knew that she was a terrible person, so don't come for me. And also, the formula is really good, so like... Next, I'm spritzing my face with some setting spray, taking my hair out of its little clasp thing, and here you are. This is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.